Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Recently Viewed section. The Recently Viewed widget is a useful tool for both customers and store owners. This widget enables customers to easily see their product search history and aids in closing the sales transaction. Alright, let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Recently Viewed section, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Template, then select Recently Viewed section. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings. Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Template. Recently Viewed. Here, you can customize all the settings. You can add section. Just click on Add Section and search Recently Viewed, and you can see Recently Viewed. Click to add it, and from there, you can customize all the available settings. Show On. Choose where the Recently Viewed section appears on your store. Desktop only. Display only on desktop screens. Mobile only. Display only on mobile devices. Both. Visible across all devices. This block appears when there are no recently viewed items. Empty recently viewed text. Enter a custom message like, "Your recently viewed list is empty." Heading size. Adjusts the heading size for your title to control how prominent it appears. You can choose from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Columns per row, desktop. Select your preferred grid layout. Columns per row, mobile. Choose how many columns appear on smaller screens. Maximum products to show. Set how many previously viewed items are displayed, up to 12. Image ratio. Defines the shape or aspect ratio of your product images. Inherit. This means the image will follow the global theme settings, ensuring consistent image size and appearance across your entire website. 16:9. Ideal for wide rectangular images, often used in banners. 3:2. Balanced rectangular ratio, great for most product images. 4:3. Slightly taller ratio, suitable for close-up product shots. 1:1. Perfect square crop, common for product grids or thumbnails. 3:4. Taller layout, best for vertical or portrait-style images. 2:3. Classic portrait ratio, provides a tall and elegant look. Circle. Crops images into a circular frame for a unique, modern display. Crop position. Determines which part of the image stays visible when cropping. Inherit. Uses the theme's default crop and focal point for automatic, consistent image positioning. Top left. Focuses on the upper left area of the image. Top center. Keeps the top middle part of the image visible. Top right. Highlights the upper right section of the image. Middle left. Centers the crop vertically, aligned to the left. Middle center. Keeps the image perfectly centered. Middle right. Centers vertically, aligned to the right. Bottom left. Focuses on the lower left area of the image. Bottom center. Keeps the bottom middle section visible. Bottom right. Highlights the lower right area of the image. Enable slider. Choose where the Recently Product slider should appear. Both. Displays on both desktop and mobile devices. Desktop only. Shows only on desktop screens. Mobile only. Shows only on mobile devices. None. Recently Product slider disabled. Enable autoplay. Enable autoplay to automatically scroll through the recently products in the slider. Disable this option to keep the slider static. Autoplay speed. Set the speed of the product slider. Loop. Enable loop to make the slider cycle continuously. When it reaches the last slide, it automatically returns to the first. Show dots. Enable Show Dots to display navigation dots on the slider. Disable this option to hide them. Show Arrows. Enable Show Arrows to display navigation arrows on the slider. Disable this option to hide them. Arrow Color. Select Inherit to use your theme's default color scheme, or Custom to choose your own. Custom Arrow Color. Set your preferred arrow color. Custom Arrow Background Color. Select a background color for the arrows. Arrow Position. This setting controls where the slider navigation arrows appear around your recently viewed product slider. Middle. Highlight the arrows placed at the center left and center right of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear exactly in the middle of the slider, vertically centered. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. Top padding. Adjust space above block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Allows you to manually set your preferred padding value. Custom top padding. Set exact top spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. Bottom padding. Adjusts the space below the block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Lets you set a custom padding value manually. Custom bottom padding. Set exact bottom spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. You can freely add blocks like Caption, Description, Double button, Icon, Icon with text, Image, Single button, Subtitle, Title, and more. And that's it. Your recently viewed section is now fully set up. By customizing it to match your brand and layout, you'll give customers a smoother shopping experience and increase your chances of closing more sales. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.